Bullish predictions for the price of helium in 2030 run from $7.92 to $14.96. Market researchers think that HNT could hit 6.16 by 2025. The price of helium on the market is expected to go down in 2023. Helium is a setting built around the Internet of Things, even when Wi-Fi isn't available. For example, if your electric car or health monitor isn't connected to the Internet, how would you connect with your basic needs? This environment has opened up a new level of advanced innovation. In this video, we'll give an overview of the helium biological system, including how much it has cost since its beginning, how it works, and what we expect it to cost in the future. With the constant changes on the horizon, this would be a great chance to find out how your venture would look from a technical perspective. Learn what helium is. Each biological system is set up with a goal in mind, whether it's to help people think, stay healthy, organize activities, or communicate. Their guides usually told the people who gave them money about their plans. A flexible group of artists and web pioneers sent off the Helium organization in July 2019. It's a blockchain platform that lets you share benefits to give Wi-Fi access to devices, even if they don't have enough power or coverage. Helium Token came up with a new way to keep people connected in different places. It uses a crypto digger switch and a token. HNT users connect their switch to similar devices in their zone. This creates a web-like network of devices that can share information while the users manage their HNT at the same time as getting remuneration for the traditional Wi-Fi model's shortcomings. Administrators of the Helium area of interest are paid with HNTS for keeping up with giving and moving information and internet access to the next neighboring clients. As more information is moved, with high-quality information credits are created, which can be used to pay for things like charges. The Helium organization is communicated on the US 915 frequency, which is unlicensed, so radio grants aren't needed. Bunch that keeps track of independence and the right to management between network providers and customers through HIPS. Helium is worth $1.76 right now. HNT has moved 0.92% so far, with a trading amount of $2,549,783. Helium is currently the 131st most valuable digital currency, with a market value of $262,425,851. By the beginning of December 2022, the price of helium will be 22.23 cents. The average highest price is $28.26. 19.22 is the lowest price. The price of helium should be 22.61 cents by the end of the month. From what we've seen, helium has built a reputation in the cryptocurrency market and has seen steady price growth over the long term thanks to the HNT price actions. We'll tell you what we think HNT will be worth before the law. Our cost estimate gauges use continuous helium. All market information and all other information on our site is updated in real time. This lets us give changing cost estimates based on how the market is acting right now. Helium's value in the future. From some points of view, helium is one of the most surprising digital forms of money to rise this year. The HNT price for 2023 is expected to rise a lot in the last part of the year, maybe to 2.64 cents. As with other digital forms of money, the rise will be slow, but there shouldn't be any big drops. An average price of $2.46 is very high, but it's possible sooner rather than later if everyone works together. Headway HNT is supposed to be worth $2.11 at the very least. Helium value expectation 2024. Every 2024 helium HNT cost forecast has a lot of room for change because of the predicted rise in the price of helium. We think the price of HNT will soon go above $4.40, but we should wait to see if its general strength file comes out of the oversold zone before making any bullish bets. Taking into account the uncertainty of the market, Bets say that HNT will trade at a minimum price of 3.52 cents and an average price of 3.87 Helium value expectation in 2025, if the current trend continues. It could reach $6.16, and HNT might do well if the market goes down, but the goal might not be reached. In 2025, the average price of HNT is expected to be $5.63 and the lowest price is expected to be $5.28. The value of Helium is expected to be green in 2026. If Helium works as planned, the price of HNT could stay stable for the next 5 years. In 2026, the HNT is expected to hit and beat its all-time high. In 2026, the value of virtual money will be 7.92, with a starting cost of $7.04 and an average cost of $7.39. Helium value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the HNT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 9.15 by 2027 with a base cost of $8.80 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, HNT has a most extreme value worth of 9.68 Helium value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 10.91 on the off chance that HNT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 11.44. Neglecting to assemble the help HNT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 10.56 Helium value forecast 2029 while HNT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection. The bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to see, so the base exchange cost has been put at 12.32 cents in a yearly cost close above 13.20 in 2029 Helium value. Expectation 2030. By 2030, Helium will finally do better than its past ADH values and set new price records. The base price could be 14.8 cents. And the highest price could be 14.96 cents. The average price will be 14.44 cents. Helium value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be very unstable, which is one of the many reasons why cost determining as a difficult task tries to estimate future prices as accurately as possible. However, all predictions should not be taken as financial advice, and you should do your own research. By 2031, we expect digital currency to be accepted in many places, so the highest